right now, I'm gonna be targeting like 20 to 30K payout. Someone is actually flying a drone here. I got my payout cancelled, right? From one prop firm. I don't want to call their name, okay? But it is what it is. This is one of the things that happens to traders. Like after months of struggle, and you get your payout gets denied, but you don't give up. You go again. What's next? That was the question on my head. What's next? What am I gonna do next? Now that I lost about $9,000 in payout, what's gonna happen next? So my plan is to get another prop firm on funded next this time. But this time I'm getting a 200K account. And I'm going to take my time, phase 1, phase 2, and see how much money I could make out of it. I see people make 10,000, 20,000. I even saw someone withdrew 150,000 from Funded Next today. Like I saw a video today on Instagram, someone withdrew $150,000 and the person trades futures. So for me now, my goal is different. Someone is actually flying a drone here. You can see, maybe show that. Flying a drone, you see. That's crazy. They kind of recorded me. Yo. Let me try to cut it. Cup. I don't think it could get so close like this. But
Hi.
the drone is like very expensive. It's like about like 5 million. You see?
Hi.
You're spoiling my video, nigga. Get the fuck out.
Go ahead.
So, oh yeah. So, wow. How's it foul?
Yeah.
Foul?
Right? No, that means it's playing, huh?
That is it, yeah. So the question in my head was, what would I do next? So my next plan is to get another prop firm, try to pass it. Right now, my target on this prop firm, I'm going for the 2 phase, so I have like 21 days before my first payout. So right now, I'm gonna be targeting like 20 to 30K payout. And by the way, this is my first video of the year. I've not made any video, guys. Is that not crazy? For the whole year, I didn't drop any YouTube, be it educative or lifestyle or day in the life, nothing. But now I decided to drop one single video. Actually, what motivates me to make video is like when I get like solid payout. Like I'm excited to make video and tell you guys about it. But since then, it's just been flip here and there, and my life was kind of like really busy this year. There's a lot of things I was doing, so much like I didn't have time on my end for anything. But it's all good. I think it'll be better next year. So I'm gonna get another account. We're gonna go again, and I'll try as much as possible to try to make more videos. So share the video, join my Telegram, follow me on Instagram. I should be dropping more videos if I'm gonna get a solid payout. And note, guys, see the way I'm talking about the payout rejected, I've lost a lot of accounts too. But this year, I didn't do much props. I didn't trade much of programs because around January, February, March, I was trading the prop. I got some few payout. But then I think I had a losing streak in like a few months after that. Then I had some winning streak again, July and all that stuff. It was just back and forth, But so far, the year is good. I'm alive. Everybody is around me is good. It is what it is, guys. So right now I'm in Trackway FX. So I came for a vacation, a 3 days vacation. Go chill out, You know what it is, guys. So, and also one more thing, you guys know the best broker to use anytime you're trading access market, the best broker. And I think I'm also gonna try and fund like $5,000 on my access market. Yeah, I think I want to fund $5,000 on my access market and trade it also alongside with the 200K prop firm. So Guys, make sure you share this video. Make sure you watch. Make sure you're trading with me. Go to my Telegram. I drop every single week. I drop at least 1 to 2 trades because you guys know Gold has been buying a lot. And me, I don't like to cause so much trade like 5 trades in a week. I 1, 2 trades on free Telegram, and we're good. Like bad as a bad, you know. I always drop like in a week. I always drop like 1 or 2 trades, and it's because I just trade gold. I don't trade other currency, right? So that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video.